What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Grandma, and today we're going to do the taste test on the Prime by Logan Paul and KSI. By the way, ever since Prime got launched, I wanted to try this drink so bad, just out of curiosity. But unfortunately, it's not available in my location. But like a month ago, there was a new store that was opened in my city, and to my surprise, they supply Prime. So I was like, wow, Prime has gotten so close to my location. I need to get it. I need to get my hands on it and try it out for myself and see if the hype is worth it or not. So I went there today and I was streaming on my channel, but the security denied me entry because they said, "Oh, apparently I cannot stream in their store, blah blah blah, unless I ask for permissions first and sign some papers, blah blah." It's like, you know what? We're just gonna go in and do normal shopping like a regular customer, right? So unfortunately, I couldn't get the clip for you guys to see how much the price is or me checking out from the store, stuff like that, because they refused to let me. If you want to watch that, you can watch it on my channel. But I still got my hands on Prime. It is a bit pricey because it's 3,665 naira. Though, if you convert it to dollar, it's not that much. But for someone living in Nigeria, it's 3,000 for this bottle. Like, bro, what are they talking about? What are they on about? So my friend said I should get this flavor. I wanted to try all the flavors, but then, like I said, I'm a bit low on cash. Yeah, I'm a bit low on cash. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go for this one for today. He said this one is a bit popular, so let's go. Hopefully, I like this. Hopefully. All right, KSI Logan Paul. I don't know if I'm gonna ask for my refund or if I'm gonna say I can go for a second drink. I don't know. Let's just see. Bismillah. Oh. Oh. It's a bit too sweet though. Like, are you sure there's no sugar in this thing? That apparently I heard that there's really like very low sugar in here, but it's very sweet. Like, wow. No, honestly, guys, I'm not even tripping. Like this, it's not as bad as some people say it is. Honestly, like I can't lie, I don't mind buying this on a regular basis, like just casually, just like the way I would buy a Red Bull or whatever, you know. To be fair, like the taste isn't that bad. Yeah, it's not the worst. Honestly, it's nice. And I'm not even saying that because I like KSI or Logan Paul, like, but it's all right. It's all right. It's actually, I will rate this 8 out of 10. I don't know which flavor is gonna be my favorite, but this one, I'll say 8 out of 10. Honestly, it's good. So this is Prime, and there goes my 3,665 naira. But yeah, so I asked the same store for Feastables, and apparently they don't supply Feastables. I don't know whether I'll say yet. So Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, we need your chocolate. I want to try out your Feastables. If we can find Prime in my location, then we should definitely get Feastables or any of your products like Lunchly and stuff like that. If you launch it in our country, Nigeria, I will definitely give it a try. But honestly, when it comes to this Prime, I'll give it a pass. I like it. I like it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody. What do you think of Prime?
Honestly, I want my money back.
What do you mean? Rate it out of 10 though. Rate it out of 10.
5.
5?
5.
I gave it 8.
Yeah, this is trash.
He wants his money back. KSI, send us our money back, bro. Like, seriously.